Here we will look at p-value or observed significance. P-value, also called observed significance, is one of the ways to decide whether or not to reject null hypothesis. As shown in the graph below, it is the area outside test statistic. If test is a lower or upper, we simply have area at one tail, but if it is two-tailed, we find area at one of the tails and multiply by 2 to get p-value. So let's look at this example here. In this example, we have a lower-tailed test as alternate hypothesis has less than sign. Test statistic is given to be negative 2.31. So p-value is area to the right of negative 2.31, this area here, which means p probability of z less than negative 2.31. So to find this area, we can use a Z-table, Excel, or TI calculator. Let me use a TI calculator here. So let me pull up my calculator up on the screen now. Do second distribution. We'll be using normal CDF, then hit enter. Then for lower value, enter some large negative number like negative 999, and our upper value here is negative 2.31. Then our mean is 0 and our sigma is 1, then hit enter and enter. So this gives us 0.0104, and that's our p-value. So basically this area here is 0.0104, and this is our p-value. Now let's look at this example. So this one is a two-tailed test, and test statistic z is negative 2.31. So we need to find area outside of negative 2.31, this area, and multiply that by 2 to get p-value. In the previous example, we used a TI calculator. So for this one, let's use a Z-table now. So for that, let me pull up my Z-table up on the screen. Now, look up negative 2.31 on the table. So for that, look at the row of negative 2.3, this one, and column of 0.01. So which is this one here. This number here is row of negative 2.3 and column of 0.01. So that gives us 0.0104. So basically this area is 0.0104, and similarly this area is also 0.0104. So p-value is 2 times of 0.0104, which gives us 0.0208. Therefore, p-value equals to 0.0208. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.